Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Miracase Magnetic iPhone 70 Pro case for the 6.3 inches smartphone with screen protector. Wow, included. It's compatible with MagSafe military-grade protection, anti-fingerprint, slim, thin phone case for the iPhone 70 Pro, cover in black. You can also get this in dark blue, clear, light pink, champagne, green, gray, gold, orange, blue, dark purple, glitter pink, dark green. What else? Clear blue, champagne too. Different frost clear, glitter clear, light green, and so on. Colors. It is available in a lot of colors on the market. And of course, it's also not only for the 70 Pro available on the market. It's for the iPhone Air, for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the iPhone 70, and it goes down up to the iPhone 13. It's possible to get the Miracase Magnetic cover or case for the iPhone. In this case here, I show you it on the brand new iPhone 17 Pro. It will cover the entire device. The Miracase can make a screen protection and a case protection, and it is made out of thermoplastic polyurethane, specially designed for the iPhone 17 Pro. This case seamlessly aligned with the MagSafe charger for secure connection and fast wireless charging too. It a built-in 38 N52 magnets. It also provides a strong attachment to the magnetic accessories, with a 60% increase in magnetic strength compared to other magnetic cases on the market. This case boasts the advanced Shockproof Tech on all four corners, with 360 degrees airbag insides, in a 3PLY cushioning TPU bumper. This offers an excellent protection, safeguarding our phone from drops of up to 10 feet, exceeding the MIL-Grade PROT standards. It also features screen bezels and camera lips to shield against the dust and scratches too. This phone case for the iPhone 17 Pro comes with a high-quality tempered glass screen protector included in the package. The camera frame is raised up to 1.5 mm to safeguard the camera lenses, preventing the dust accumulation and preserving the camera's original performance. Additionally, the screen protectors effectively shield the screen from scratches too, ensuring comprehensive protection for our phone, of course. It's slim and skin-friendly. It's a flawless and compatible, reliable, nice. With this Shockproof Tech and the ergonomic design, this case strikes a balance between slimness and maximum protection. It features an upgraded nano alloy coating to resist fingerprints and scratches, providing a soft, silky, skin-friendly touch with its soft bumpers. So let's get protected our iPhone 70 Pro with such a case. This case comes from Miracase, and it makes a good job, as you can see. It's easy to attach, easy to remove too, and easy to protect our iPhone 70 Pro. 6.3 inches. Yeah, all included, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!